In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Together Mode on Microsoft Teams. If you've ever wanted to bring a sense of cohesion and fun to your virtual meetings, this feature might be just the tool you need. Together Mode uses AI segmentation technology to place all meeting participants in a shared virtual background, making it look and feel like you're in the same room. So, let's dive into the steps on how to activate this feature. First things first, you need to open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the screen and you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it and then proceed by entering your Microsoft account details to log in. This is the same account you use for other Microsoft services, so make sure you have your login information handy. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the features Microsoft Teams has to offer. Now navigate your way to the chat section of Microsoft Teams. This is where the magic begins. While in the chat section, you should see various options including ongoing calls or meetings. If you're joining an existing meeting, find and click on the meeting or chat that you want to join. Click on Join to enter the meeting. You're not quite in the Together Mode setting yet, but hang tight, you're almost there. Next up, as you prepare to join the meeting, a window will pop up prompting you to confirm. Go ahead and click on Join Now. Once you're inside the meeting, you'll notice a series of options appear on your screen. Look to the top right corner of your Teams window and you'll see a button labeled View. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find Together Mode. Clicking on this option will activate the shared virtual space. It's important to note that Together Mode requires at least 4 participants with their cameras turned on to work. If you're in a smaller meeting or some members haven't activated their video, you may not be able to use this feature. So, encourage your team members to switch on their cameras to make the most of this engaging tool. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to bring your team closer, even when you're far apart. Together Mode is a fantastic way to make meetings more interactive and visually appealing. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll enjoy using Together Mode in your next Microsoft Teams meeting. Thanks for tuning in and happy collaborating.